In the next few episodes, we will look at each program in self-study mode. In this episode, let's go over the first activity, read. In read, you can choose among 4 topics: number, alphabet, short words, and long words. For this example, let's choose short words. Use the arrow buttons to scroll through the list and press the circle button to select. To go back to the previous list, press the circle button for 2 seconds.
4,
Read the Braille shown on the Braille display as you listen to the word. If you want to hear the word again, press and hold the left arrow button for 2 seconds. To hear the spelling, press and hold the right arrow button for 2 seconds.
O, R, M.
When you're done, press the circle button to move on.
End.
If you want to see the contractions, press and hold the left and right arrow button together for 2 seconds.
Change to UEV mode.
If the word you are on doesn't contain contractions, it will show in uncontracted Braille. Let's try another one.
Gone.
Read the Braille cells shown on the display and press the circle button when you're done.